Okay, come. Sleep now. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, God.
Good night, God. Take care of the sea too.
Oh, take care of the sea.
Yeah.
Yeah, so nobody will drown and no ship will sink, right?
Okay.
Hmm.
Don't take care of the car going inside the water.
Oh, gee.
Sorry.
You bang my head.
It's okay
I'm all right. I'm fine.
because you are very strong.
I am very, very strong. I'm your very strong auntie. What else do you want God to take care?
And my house
Your home?
and all the towers and my mommy's tower and my mommy's office and my daddy's office and the Philippines and every earth in the world.
Yeah. How about Israel? Israel is burning now. You have to tell God, God, please send rain so the fire will stop.
Please turn the rain all day because the rain will stop.
Yeah. God, please send rain so the fire will stop.
Turn on the rain all day and all day and all day and all day and all day.
Yeah. What else?
And always I cannot go into my school
Why you cannot go to your school?
because it's all day raining.
Ah, that's all right. We got umbrella, we got rain boots, and we got raincoat.
Oh yeah, we can bring that.
Yeah, unless there's a storm, then we can go to school. The school will be cancelled.
Last time we can go to school.
No, we can't. If there's a storm, classes will be cancelled.
Why?
Yeah.
It got storm.
It's very dangerous to go to school when there's a storm.
We go to school and we can go go up a little bit. It's next to my school. We can go to my school.
Oh, yeah.
I'm a little bit right.
You're a little bit right. Yeah. See, I told you, you are just little, not all. Because only God is knows everything, and He is always right. Nobody is always right except God.
Why?
Yeah.
And God make a leaf.
Yeah, God made the plants, God made the animals, God made you and me,
And tower and escalator and the roof.
Yes. Oh no, escalator. It's the people who made
Oh,
escalators.
sorry. And that.
That's
And
alright.
the light
Light.
and the crane.
Crane. No, it's people who made a crane.
What is that? The circle one. The circle one.
What circle?
That.
Which circle?
It's over there. It's in light.
The red light?
Yeah? No, the Ferris wheel.
Ah, the Ferris wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a Ferris wheel. Have you been there yet? Ah, yeah, we've been there, right?
Yeah.
When there was a carnival.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like so much thing and we go ride something at carnival.
Yes, we did.
Yeah. Ferris wheel.
Ah,
And God makes Ferris wheel.
yeah. No, God didn't make a Ferris wheel. It's people who made a Ferris wheel.
Why?
Those are man-made things.
But Ferris wheel is very hard to ride in the top.
Yeah, people use a crane to make the Ferris wheel, the buildings. Those are man-made things. They are not God's things.
Oh, maybe they
God did not create them.
maybe God make them.
God only made the sea, the rivers, the trees, the animals,
And the
the
boat.
people, the birds.
Have a bird.
Yeah, of course, the birds. Things that has life. You know, the living things. God created them.
Have a boat.
Now, those are man-made.
Have a light.
Light, people made a light.
Have a
Do you know the name of God? Let me ask you again. Do you know the name of God?
Jesus.
Oh, yeah, very good. You still remember. What's the song again? I know Jesus loves me.
Yeah.
Who tells you that?
You.
The Bible.
Bible.
Yeah, the Bible tells you, not me.
I don't like Bible.
Bible is the book
What?
that you can read about God. Because I don't know anything about God except when I read the Bible.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
But someday I can some that. And my home can do that.
Huh?
And look down there.
Where? Where is it?
Here.
Hmm?
Go down.
Where?
I'll show you. Can I see it? Hold on. Look.
What is that? Oh, yeah.
It's the
Yeah, the highway. Yeah, there are still buses and taxis and cars.
car. I found a car.
Yeah. Ding, ding, ding. They look like
Car.
ants. Too tiny, yeah. See, there's the harbor. Dun, 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 dun. There's the IFC tower. IFC building. Da 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 da. Don't cover. You cover it with your finger. Yes.
Oh. Picture the tower.
Hi. Okay, come on. It's sleeping time, you say. It's already 9 o'clock.
I will see the one more time.
Do you see the moon?
No.
Do you see stars?
No.
No, it's too cloudy.
Yeah. Too
No.
cloudy. And no, very cloudy.
Very
Too
cloudy.
much car.
Right.
And too much bus. And
Too
too much tower.
pollution.
And too much ocean. And ocean very big, right?
Yeah.
Why?
The earth is filled with waters.
Why?
Yeah. There's only a little portion, not really little, but water is much than land. Can you see how amazing God is? He can make all beautiful things, you know?
Why?
All beautiful things that you see, they are made by God.
Can I picture Mom's time?
Hmm?
Please. Picture. Wow.
Lights in the city. It's blurry. Like that. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Okay, bye-bye.
You love very